All right, everybody, ready to dive in. Today, we're tackling artificial intelligence. We've got some really cool IBM articles here going to break down what AI is, the nuts and bolts of how it works, and what it all means, for us.
Yeah. And it's a wild world out there. AI moves fast, changes constantly, so it's easy to feel a bit lost, but that's what we're here for, to make sense of it all.
Love it. So, first things first, when we say artificial intelligence, what are we actually talking about? These IBM articles, they use this nesting doll analogy. Pretty neat way to think about it.
It's perfect for visualizing this, actually. See, we've got AI, machine learning, deep learning. They're all related, but not the same. Imagine those dolls, right? AI is the big one, the whole shebang, machines acting like they think like us.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
Yeah.
So then what's the next doll, the one tucked inside AI?
That's machine learning. It's a part of AI, yeah, but specifically where we train computers on tons of data. And get this, they learn to make decisions, predictions, all that, without us programming every little rule.
Wait, so instead of telling the computer exactly what to do, we're like giving it the tools to learn itself. That's wild.
Exactly. And now for the tiniest, most mind-blowing doll in the set. Deep learning. This is where it gets really, really interesting. We're talking about artificial neural networks, basically like complex webs inspired by our own brains. They process information in a seriously sophisticated way.
Okay, my mind is officially blown. And the article mentions, this deep learning is behind so many AI things we use every day. What are some examples? What in my daily life is using this deep learning?
Oh, constantly. You know when you're shopping online and the recommendations are scary accurate? Or how your virtual assistant, actually understands what you're asking? Boom. Deep learning in action. Analyzing massive data, spotting those patterns and connections that would take us humans, well, forever.
Incredible. So AI is the big picture, then machine learning doing its thing inside that, and deep learning, that's like the super brain of it all. But hold on, there's got to be more. What about this generative AI everyone's buzzing about? That feels different.
You're right, it kind of is. It's like AI's creative side, AI that can generate stuff, human quality stuff, text, images, even music. Think like ChatGPT, right? You give it a prompt, something like, write a song medieval bard style about a cat who thinks he's king.
Okay, now that's just cool. So AI isn't just analyzing anymore, it's creating, just like us.
Precisely. Generative AI learns from huge amounts of data made by humans. Then it's like it mimics human creativity. It's mind-blowing. Like AI went to art school and became a prodigy overnight.
Wow. I'm already seeing how this is way bigger than just tech stuff. It could change, well, everything. But before we go there, let's rewind for a sec. AI, machine learning, deep learning. How do they all fit together again?
Right, good point. Remember those nesting dolls, fitting snugly one inside the other? Deep learning is a type of machine learning, and machine learning is a type of AI. Each layer builds on the one before, each one more complex, more powerful.
Okay, that clicks. So if deep learning is AI's secret weapon, what is it already doing in the world? Got to be more than we realize, right?
You'd be surprised. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into next.
So deep learning, this powerhouse, right? But how is it actually being used out there in the real world? I bet it's more than we think, huh?
Oh, way more. Think about it. Have you ever almost fallen for a phishing email, but then your inbox, it's like it knows, flags it as spam? Or using maps to get around a new city, and it's like predicting traffic before it even hits. Deep learning doing its thing behind the scenes.
Wow, see, never even thought of that. It's like this silent partner making our digital lives run smoothly.
Totally. But it goes even further. Deep learning's behind those personalized shopping recommendations, when Spotify seems to read your mind for music. Even helps you write that perfect reply to a tricky email. Making things easier, efficient, even fun.
That's wild. But these articles, they talk about some seriously big picture stuff too, like AI revolutionizing entire industries.
Oh, absolutely. Take healthcare, for instance. Imagine AI helping doctors diagnose diseases way earlier, more accurately, using deep learning to look at medical images, spotting tiny details, patterns, things our eyes might miss.
See, that's what I'm talking about. AI that could actually save lives. That's next level. But healthcare, that's just one piece of the puzzle, right? What other fields are being transformed by this stuff?
Oh, yeah, healthcare is just the beginning. AI is making big moves in finance, helping banks spot fraud right as it happens, making smarter investments. And in manufacturing, think AI-powered robots working right alongside people, building stuff with this insane precision. It's really shaking things up everywhere.
It's crazy to think AI is becoming a part of, well, everything so fast.
Yeah.
But I got to admit, thinking about all this, these super smart machines, kind of makes you wonder, what's next? Where does AI lead us, in the future?
Right. It's the big question, isn't it? These IBM articles, they even touch on that. A future where AI isn't just doing tasks, but maybe machines thinking for themselves.
Interesting.
Mind-boggling, brings up all these questions we've never had to face before.
Seriously. Like, it's sci-fi stuff, but it could really happen. So what do you think? Robots taking over the world, is that where we're headed?
Whoa, I wouldn't go that far. Not yet, at least. But it's true, we're in uncharted territory here. We're writing the future of AI right now, all of us, figuring out how this tech evolves. But one thing's for sure, it's going to be a wild ride.
Wild is an understatement. This whole deep dive has been eye-opening. Really makes you think differently about AI. What it is, how it works, the impact it's already having. It's incredible.
And we're just scratching the surface. As AI learns more, evolves, who knows what amazing breakthroughs are coming? It's an exciting time to be paying attention, that's for sure.
You got that right. Well, folks, there you have it, our deep dive into the world of artificial intelligence. Hopefully you're feeling, I don't know, energized. Maybe your mind's a little blown. That's how we feel. And hey, if you're hungry for more, we've got a whole library of deep dives waiting for you. Future of food, mysteries of space, you name it. Stay curious out there.